French bread pizza is really easy to make. Got all the variety of toppings and you can make it just how you like it. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making delicious French bread pizza. I love pizza. When I was young, I worked in 2 different pizza restaurants. I love making pizza, decorating pizza. Got all the variety of toppings, and you can make it just how you like it. So the ingredients in this recipe are whole wheat French bread, you could also use white bread, pizza or pasta sauce, mozzarella cheese, or you could use other cheese, and then your choice of toppings. I have sliced tomatoes, mushrooms, yellow bell peppers, red onions, red bell peppers, roasted garlic, pineapple, and olives. I'm sure you could think of a million other ingredients you could put on your pizza. I would love to hear what you put on your pizza. French bread pizza is really easy to make. You could use any leftover toppings that you have. Maybe you made a salad and you have extra veggies, or maybe you're going to make the pizza and you're going to use your extra veggies for your salad. You could also put cooked meats, you could put veggie meats, you could put vegan cheese, regular cheese, a variety of cheese, cheese sauce. Anyways, I'm going to get started. I have a foil-lined baking sheet. You're going to get a loaf of French bread. I recommend whole wheat. Go ahead and cut it lengthwise, and you're going to take one of them, and you could actually do both of them. I'm going to do one right now and just put it on the baking sheet. Next, we're going to put our pasta sauce. You could use regular pizza sauce, but I always happen to have pasta sauce on hand, so I'm going to use that. Go ahead and pour some on. You do want to keep a 1/2-inch border around the edges, so don't get it too close. Okay, so next we're going to put cheese. I have shredded mozzarella cheese. Use a good quality if you can. Okay, so next we're going to put our ingredients. I recommend putting the larger ingredients on first, then the smaller ones. That way it looks really pretty. The large ingredients don't cover up the small ones. So I'm going to start with my largest ones, tomatoes. And if some people don't like tomatoes, you could do 1/2 and 1/2, or you could do the other 1/2 also. Next I have mushrooms, yellow bell pepper, red onions, red bell peppers. Just going to put a few. You can put too many toppings on. Okay, so I just recently roasted some garlic in another lesson. I'm just going to cut up a few pieces to put on the pizza. If you love garlic, you're going to love roasted garlic. Check out those lessons. I made it in the oven, and I've also made it in the crock pot. Got a lot of ingredients. I like pineapple in my pizza, and my husband likes olives. So I'm going to put a few pieces of pineapple on this side. And I'll put a few olives on the other side. I think that's pretty full. I like to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more cheese on the top, just to top it off, just lightly. And I have plenty of ingredients for the other 1/2, so I'll probably make that next. But right now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and it starts to brown. So we'll do that next. We'll check our pizza in about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, let's check our pizza. It looks so good. It's brown and melty. Let's go try it. Okay, our French bread pizza is finished. I let it cool a bit, so it's time to try it. Let's just cut a piece. I'm going to take my end. I'll save the the olives for my husband. I like it extra crispy. You can take it out earlier if you'd like. Try it, you're gonna love it. You can put all different kind of toppings. You can use leftovers, put it on. You could save your toppings for leftovers on something else like a salad. Okay, here we go. It is so good. I love it. This is as good as regular pizza. So easy to make. The garlic is really good too. Try my roasted garlic recipe.